Pay attention to the C-shaped buckle. Install on the side with the rivet nut. Secure with M3 by 38 screw. Note here as well, side with rivet nut facing outward. The side without rivet nut is installed inward. Be careful not to tighten the screws first. After all the screws are installed, tighten all the screw. Next, install the foot pad. Use M3 by 8 screw. Install all 4 arms in the same way. Secure the aluminum post with the M3 by 8 screw. Use M3 by 8 screws to secure the top plate. Pay attention to the screws that will be installed next. Don't tighten anything. This will facilitate the installation of other component. M3 by 38 screws are used here. The same way, complete the assembly of the other 3. Install the previously installed arms. Thread in M3x35 screw. Then screw in the M3 nut. Mount the other 3 arms in the same way. So far, all the parts have been assembled. Now we can tighten all the screws.